This week, purchase electricity or lottery tickets for at least 20 Rand on the Nedbank Money app and stand a chance to win 5,000 Rand data. Welcome to our fans Zothu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns will be going up against Young Africans. So I'm joined by Ubo.
Stiwo.
Njayam.
Ukraine.
I'm Nandi.
Ukhuluma ngeteam kuma quarter final we Champions League.
It Downs.
It's Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure, my brother.
Kuma quarter finals we Nedbank. You number 1 ku league.
Downs.
So I'll tell me sayifuna iwin otha.
Okay.
Lokho sikubone ku last season ye-CAF Champions League sidlala i-draw ya 1-1 away sazo draw 2-2 ending nge-last minute on goal. Kube buhlungu otha.
Sure.
Yeah, so this time sifuna ukuthi sithathe i-CAF Champions League.
Ngifuna ukuyithatha i-CAF Champions League.
Angifuna ukutshala manga awuthami sizimisele. So the preparation eteamini grand. If ungabheka egamini esidlalile midweek ye league some of abadlali beba restile. It's not like ukuthi njani bheka abadlali abaningi like uma ungabheka abo William abomtawu abomkwena abokekane the likes of Umudiba beba baningi abadlali aboshalulile abo Lucas beba abo Allende bebahlezi bangadlala cha because angisho mina ngina yonke inhlobo yabadlali mina yonke inhlobo abadlali ene ngiphethe bonke abadlali abayiquality njengoba basho bathi ngithenga iquality so awuthami iSundowns is not like bathi mhlambe siyazicapha o kanjani awuthami ufuna ukutshela Sipho
khuluma na
igame esiyidlala neYanga awuthami kumele ube it's a must win akumelanga ukuthi siconsider awuthami akumelanga once iYanga yascore kucala siba under pressure into ebalekile ukuthi score kucala bakhona ukuvula iSundowns idlala ibhola layo
sure
lokho bazofuna ukupaka amabhasi awuthami uzoyipaka awuthami but isikhiya siyasazi isikhiya Ellen Kia ukuthi ihlala lapha awuthami
nizoyivula
angifuna ukutshela manga ngiphethe omunye coach ne technical team yakhe uhlangane kakhulu awuthami
Rulani Mkwena
uhlangane kakhulu coach awuthami ngifuna ukutshela manga uma ungabheka ucoach wami owaye coach iSundowns ucoach Pizo bekaba frustrated when it comes to i-team empakela ibhasi but bheka ucoach Rulani ukuthi wenzana thami uzokulethela abadlali abane-individual brilliant abazokhona uku-unlocka le defense abazokhona ukuyishake phela uyazi i-defense awuthami awumani uyishake we-unlocke kuphela ngokuthi bathi mhlambe kumele udribble ungene direct awuthami the more unokha ibhola iseculator ilokhu ichange ama-direction labantu noma bangabayichange bazovula awuthami i-pocket bazolivula and mabalivula sizolisebenzisa awuthami so sizoyina awuthami prediction awuthami ithi ngikutshela awuthami it's 2-0 score
2-0 score
sizoyihlaba 2-0 but satholi early goal singenca le score siye ku-3 because bazofuna ukuvula and the more bafuna ukuvula the more Sundowns ifika
nespace isivuleka
angifuna ukutshela manga awuthami sizoyiwina le game nakanjani awuthami asenzele iSundowns kuphela
lenzela
senzela nalaba abanama 10 years bangathatha ama trophy
Chiefs
nalaba banoma angazi bona 10 nabo bangathatha ileague angazi ukuthi
Pirates
yabona wena yabona lento yakho so labantu labo awuthami senzela wonke umuntu abosikhukhuni abo Richards Bay umzansi ezola awuthami jokes aside senzela umzansi awuthami neSundowns ukuthi sibe grand si-represent country awuthami
ngiyabonga njaya
bonga mina awuthami bangangithathi ngale ndlela